Remember the Royal Enfield Himalayan 411? Simple, rugged, and built to go pretty much anywhere without fuss. Well, multiple reports suggest Royal Enfield might be working on something that brings that vibe back. This is what's being talked about as the Himalayan 440, and if it turns out to be real, it could hit a sweet spot for a lot of riders. Royal Enfield appears to be preparing a new addition to its adventure lineup with the upcoming Himalayan 440. Internally codenamed D4G, this motorcycle is expected to revive the essence of the Himalayan 411 while incorporating mechanical elements from the Scram 440. The idea behind this model is to create a more affordable and accessible alternative to the Himalayan 450, which currently sits higher up in the brand's adventure range. The Himalayan 440 is likely to stay true to the original Himalayan's philosophy of simplicity and ruggedness. Instead of focusing on advanced electronics and premium features, Royal Enfield is expected to prioritize practicality and ease of use. Essential features, such as switchable ABS and the Tripper navigation module, could be included, but more sophisticated aids like traction control and multiple riding modes may be left out to keep costs in check and maintain the bike's utilitarian appeal. Powering the motorcycle will most likely be a 443cc single-cylinder air/oil-cooled engine derived from the Scram 440. This unit produces around 25.4 horsepower and 34 Nm of torque, and is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. While the output figures are only slightly higher than those of the older Himalayan 411, the newer engine should offer better refinement and overall rideability. Royal Enfield may also fine-tune the engine to deliver stronger low-end torque, making it more suitable for off-road conditions and long-distance touring. In terms of hardware, the Himalayan 440 is expected to retain a conventional chassis setup, possibly based on earlier platforms, but adapted for improved off-road performance. Suspension travel is likely to be longer than that of the Scram, helping the bike handle rough terrain more effectively. For reference, the Himalayan 411 offered 190 mm of front travel and 180 mm at the rear, and the new model could match or slightly exceed these figures. The bike is also expected to continue with a 21-inch front and 17-inch rear wheel combination, fitted with dual-purpose tires. Visually, the Himalayan 440 will likely retain the distinctive, rugged design language of its predecessor. Updates are expected to be subtle, including refreshed paint schemes, revised graphics, and possibly an LED headlamp similar to those seen on newer Royal Enfield motorcycles. Within Royal Enfield's lineup, the Himalayan 440 is expected to occupy a strategic position below the Himalayan 450. This would effectively create a 3-tier structure, with the Scram serving as a road-focused scrambler, the Himalayan 440 as an affordable and practical adventure bike, and the Himalayan 450 as a more premium, performance-oriented offering. Such positioning would allow the brand to cater to a wider range of riders with varying needs and budgets. The Himalayan 440 is expected to debut sometime in the second half of 2026. If priced competitively, it could appeal to riders who appreciate the simplicity of the original Himalayan but want a slightly more modern and refined package. By blending the character of the 411 with the updated engine of the Scram, Royal Enfield seems set to bring back a more accessible and practical adventure motorcycle to its lineup. If this bike does become a reality, it could bring back what made the Himalayan 411 so popular in the first place: simplicity, durability, and ease of use. And honestly, not everyone needs more power or more tech. Sometimes a straightforward machine is exactly what people are looking for. So, would you wait for something like this, or just go for the 450 right now? Let me know what you think.